नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं डायरेक्टर मित्रा आप सभी का भाई, आप सभी का दोस्त भाई के चैनल से करता हूं दिल से स्वागत। और आज हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि हमारे घर में मेरा सगा लड़का, हमारा सगा भाई, सगा यार, सगा दोस्त आज आप सभी के ज़िले का नाम रोशन करते हुए और आगे बढ़ते हुए आप सभी को एक बहुत ही अच्छा रास्ता दिखाते हुए वो लड़का आया हुआ है। आज उनके पिताजी से, क्या उनके चाचा जी से हम कुछ वार्तालाप कराएंगे और उनकी कैसी आगे चल के जो है रणनीति रहेगी बताएंगे। तो बताइए भैया, क्या आगे चल के क्या देखना है?
हमारी तो पहली इच्छा ये है कि उसको यूपी का ऑर्डर मिले, IAS मिले और वो अपने जनपद और क्षेत्र के आसपास आके समाज सेवा का भी काम करे और लोगों की जो समस्याएं जो हैं उनका भी समाधान करे। बिल्कुल उसके विचार बड़े ही नेक हैं, ख्याल उसके बड़े ही ऊँचे हैं और वो लोक कल्याण की भावना से भी काम करता है। सादा जीवन, उसके विचार की शैली में वो जीवन जीता है। तो इसको लेके निश्चित तौर से जिस भी जनपद में होगा उस जनपद का भविष्य उज्जवल होगा। वहाँ के लोग नैतिक, आर्थिक और सामाजिक सब रूप से सशक्त होंगे उसके नेतृत्व में।
दोस्तों, आप लोग जो देखे, जो जाने, जो सुने और आप सभी को इस न्यूज़ के माध्यम से आप सभी को अपडेट देते रहेंगे और आप सब बने रहेगा भाई के चैनल से। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Rishabh, you come from Bhadoi. What is Bhadoi famous for internationally?
Sir, Bhadoi is famous for its carpet industry, and sir, in 80% of exports that India does in carpet, it comes from Bhadoi. And,
any idea of how many dollars or in dollar terms how much exports?
sorry, sir, I know.
Okay. Now there was some issue regarding the Bhadoi carpets. It hit the international market, and then there was a big problem. They said we will not accept carpets from Bhadoi and Mirzapur. What was the reason?
Sir, child labor that is there in Bhadoi. For that, many industries in foreign rejected the carpets from Bhadoi.
So if you are made the district magistrate of Bhadoi district, then what will you do to ensure that this is not done?
So child labor is a complex problem, but there are many ways in which we can eradicate it.
आप क्या करोगे? SDM क्या करोगे?
Sir, as a district magistrate, sir, I will ensure that first of all the children that are below 14 years, they should go to school, because if we will increase gross enrollment ratio, then obviously they will not go to the industry.
Why are they not going now?
Sir, besides education, sir, poverty is also a factor. As Gurupad Swami committee formed for eradicating child labor said that poverty is also a factor. So I think, sir, eradicating poverty will be my target in district. Besides that, in enforcing the norms like Child Labor Act, Child Labor Prevention Act 2016, that norms are there. I will enforce them in industries.
What are the poverty alleviation programs now being focused upon at the district level by the state government? What are the programs, poverty alleviation programs? You have any idea?
Sir, by Uttar Pradesh government.
Yes.
Sir, like PDS system is there.
Okay.
And then, sir, they are initiating a program, sir, Lakhpati Mahila Karyakram, where they are making SHGs and through SHGs they are skilling the women. And sir, besides that, sir, there are many employment melas that are organized for giving employment to the vulnerable. And
What about Manrega?
yes, sir, Manrega is also there. That is union government scheme.
Why children are very much favored in the carpet industry? What is the reason?
Sir, the reason behind the recruiting children in carpet industry is that, sir, supple hands of the children are considered good for knotting the carpet, as Bhadoi is famous for hand woven carpets.
Or what is the knots per square inch which is produced in Bhadoi, and which are the good ones, which is supposed to be the good ones? You have any idea how many knots per square inch?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of that.
You are not aware of that. Okay, very good. You are a mechanical engineer from Maulana Azad, huh?